AI stands for artificial intelligence, which refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI is achieved through a combination of algorithms, data processing, and machine learning techniques, including neural networks and deep learning. AI systems can be designed to operate autonomously or with human supervision, and they have applications in a wide range of fields, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and natural language processing. AI systems can be designed to learn and improve their performance over time through machine learning algorithms, which allow them to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that analysis. AI has many applications, including in areas such as robotics, healthcare, finance, and transportation.